This is Anne-Marie, and she's going to tell you what she's up to today as well.
Yes, I work with the Lecher antenna, so I will be doing treatments today by using the Lecher antenna, and I will also be working with highly specific colors, and I brought some Schussler salts with me. And yes, I am also selling my books. So this is one of my books.
Great.
This one was actually recognized by the Irish Heritage Council as original and of cultural merit.
Very good.
Yes, very rewarding.
Yeah, lovely.
Yes, and I'm selling some crystals to reduce electromagnetic radiation, geopathic stress, so it's all very special.
Lovely. Thanks, Anne-Marie. Thank you. So Anne-Marie is here all day today as well. Very knowledgeable lady. Come and have a chat with her, and perhaps a treatment as well. She can. And you're doing training courses, haven't you? Got a training coming up?
I do, yes.
Yeah.
In May, I will be doing bioenergetics, Lecher antenna bioenergetics, levels 1 to 4. And then we'll have 2 days of visit of the megaliths in the region that are on UNESCO tentative list. And we will be doing a little introduction to geobiology, how you can use the instrument to measure geobiology, and of course also the special energies at the megaliths.
Yeah, brilliant, lovely. Thanks. So people can get in touch with you if they're interested in the training.